Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha. Today I am going to prepare beetroot raita recipe, which is very healthy and very tasty, and it is well combined with your biryani and pulao recipes. Okay, let's get started. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of thick yogurt, whisk it without any lumps. Okay, to this add 2 tablespoons grated beetroot, half teaspoon red chilli powder, use pink rock salt or as your regular salt as required. Add few coriander leaves, 1 green chilli finely chopped, half teaspoon cumin powder and few mint leaves. Mix all these ingredients together. Okay, once it is nicely combined, keep this in fridge for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, serve your beetroot raita into your serving bowl and enjoy with your favorite biryani or pulao. And garnish with a little mint leaf. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you. Bye bye, lovelies. Mwah.